good morning viewers. Today I will bring fresh news about netizens sharing the praise of the Batman film. With me, Najma Rafiif. The Batman seems to have succeeded in answering the expectations of fans who watched it on the first day of broadcast, Wednesday, 2nd March 2022. Indonesia is one of the countries that can see the film earlier. Audiences in the US can only watch the action of Robert Pattinson as Bruce Wayne in the Batman on the big screen starting 4th March 2022. Many viewers in Indonesia are satisfied with the gripping feel that the film presents. In addition, some of the audience also called the Batman as one of the best adaptations of Gotham hero character. The long wait of Caped Crusader fans finally paid off with positive reaction scattered on social media. Most fans praised the dramatic impression shown by the Batman through the presentation of cinematography and silk music scoring. The dark look is the hallmark of Batman films is highlighted by director Matt Reeves. This is amplified by dramatic accompanying music, making each scene even more intense. The audiovisual and story aspect that support Robert Pattinson's appearance as Batman do not escape praise. Some of them vented their excitement after watching the Batman movie. The Batman has been showing in Indonesian cinemas since 2nd March 2022. That's all the news I can convey today. Hopefully it will be useful. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Najma Rafiif from Abh TV and see you again. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.